We're learning quite a lot from Rwanda. Rwanda has achieved phenomenal feats. For starters, I've had a number of people from our local government sector going to Rwanda just to go and see how clean Kigali is, the cleanest city on the whole continent. And I've said, emulate them, try and be like them, and even beat them and get better than Kigali. But in terms of just their business savviness, their regulatory framework, and their being a more open economy, we have a lot to learn from them. For instance, when they say they have a one-stop shop, they mean it in real effect. You get to Rwanda, you open a business, same day you'll have all your permits. We're doing exactly the same thing. Minister Ibrahim Patel was demonstrating how we are now acceding to that, where in one day, in a few hours, you'll be able to have all your permits, to get your company registered, to get your tax certificate, and all the other permits you'll be able to get. So we are learning from others, and this is the beauty of being all united as part of the African Union, that we can learn from one another. We can exchange good lessons, and we can emulate what they are doing best. And if they are doing wrong things, we can learn from that and say, we're not going to do that, we're not going to repeat what they are doing. And that is the beauty of our continent.